In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a contact in PayPal. If you want to stop interacting with a specific person through your PayPal contact list, this is a quick and simple process. Blocking a contact can be useful if you no longer want to send money to them by accident, receive requests from them, or keep them visible in your saved contacts. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can do this confidently. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and make sure you're on your main account page. Once you're logged in, look for the Send and Request section. This is where PayPal keeps the tools for sending payments, requesting money, and managing the people in your contact list. Go ahead and click Send and Request to open that area. After that, you should see your list of saved contacts. Take a moment to find the contact you want to block. This step is important, so be sure you're selecting the correct person before moving forward. When you've found them, click on that contact to open their details. This will bring up more options related to that person, including actions you can take for managing the contact. Next, look for the option labeled Block This Contact. Once you see it, click on Block This Contact. This tells PayPal that you no longer want that person to remain active in your contact interactions. Depending on the version of PayPal you're using, you may see a confirmation prompt appear on the screen. If that happens, simply review the action and confirm it to complete the block. And that's it. The contact should now be blocked in your PayPal account. A helpful tip here is to double check the contact details before blocking, especially if you have multiple saved contacts with similar names. That can help you avoid blocking the wrong person. Also, if your screen looks a little different, don't worry. PayPal occasionally updates its layout, but the process is usually still found inside the Send and Request area, and then within the selected contacts options. If you ever need to review your contact settings later, you can return to the same section of your account and look through your contact management options. That's how to block a contact in PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow.